How to install Realtek Audio Driver on your Windows 11 or 10. Hello everybody, welcome back. In today's guide, we'll be guiding you through the process in order to do so. So what you can do is you can just head over and first of all check which driver is installed on your device. Go to the search in the bottom and search for device manager. Open it up. And when you do, you will be finding this screen right here. So look for your drivers for your audio. Find audio driver from here. For example, speakers, sound, video, this one right here. After that, here you'll be finding your audio, and I already do have Realtek audio, but if you do not have one, we are going to follow the process. So you may right click on it and go to properties. If you already have one, and go to driver and look out for update driver, and you can look out for the driver version and the driver date. After that, click on OK. Once this is closed, you can open up one of your browser. And then once you open up your browser, you can just go ahead and type in Realtek, hit enter. And when you do, you'll be finding the Realtek official website. Head over and open it up on your particular screen. After you open it up, look out for the menu at the top left. And go ahead and look out for downloads. From downloads, go over and find computer peripheral. And click on it. After you click on it, you will be finding this right here. And once you're right here, we're gonna choose a category first. Click on this choose subcategory. Drop it down. Select the option for PC audio codecs. Select it, and you will be finding the results. Now within here also, we're gonna just go ahead and choose up a subcategory. Drop this option down, and you can select this option for high definition audio codecs, and we'll be finding the results. I'll just go ahead and look out for the latest one. This one is the latest one, and go ahead and click on the software icon and open it up on your screen. And there we go. Now here we'll be finding different options. You may look out for this one right here, 64 beats, which will be working perfectly on Windows 10 and even on 11. Once you find it up, look out for this download option and click on it. And once you do so, you can agree to the terms and conditions for download. Click on I accept. And look out for this download this file option. And once you do so, you need to complete this verification and tap the captcha. And once it is completed, the file will be downloaded automatically. And once you install it, you can go to the device manager, go over to software, sound, video, and game controllers, go to Realtek Audio, right click on it, and you can look out for properties. And when you go to driver, you'll be finding your details, including your driver date and everything, which means your Realtek audio has been added to your Windows and has also been updated to the latest version. So this is how you do it. We hope this video was helpful to you. Don't forget to give it a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.